Hello data warriors, I welcome you to the Racks Technologies and Power BI 365 Days Challenge series. So guys, there are tons of Power BI channels out there, but this one is different. My vision is to share the exact challenges which I face during my job. These are not just for theoretical learning but also for practical scenarios that real data professionals face every day. And trust me, these concepts will definitely help you on becoming a better Power BI developer. So by learning these concepts, you'll gain two major advantages. You'll solve real world problems faster at work and you'll be ready to crack Power BI interviews whether you have 0 years of experience or 10 plus. Hit the subscribe button to become confident Power BI developers. So coming to today's interview video, so we are trying to create a table which is a conditionally formatted table, and here you can see the dates, right, 1/9/2013 till 2014 and sum of units sold. So each day how many units sold, that is a data which we are trying to display here, and conditionally formatting those records, those values which got 70,000 plus units sold. That means, so on whatever the days the units sold are greater than 70,000, we are trying to color in green, and whatever the days the units are sold less than 70,000, we are trying to color in red. So guys, this use case, this is a real important scenario in day-to-day your job role responsibilities, because business managers, business management wants to understand quickly how many units sold on each day. So every day you'll display the units sold, but if you can conditionally format, if you can give a color code to them, they can quickly find out the business where exactly it is leading to, how many units got sold, how many units are pending, and if they are pending, then why they're actually pending. So that is a important use case which we are going to discuss. And to achieve this, there are multiple ways you can write DAX, okay, and you can actually do a gradient as well. You can write some rules, but in today's video we are going to discuss how we can achieve using this rules in conditional formatting. So let's start the video here. So we'll just try to recreate the same table, date and sum of units sold first. So let me pull the date column first. So you can click the drop down here, you can click on date to see the exact date and units sold. So units sold column is already here, and you can just drag the units sold. Okay, so we can see that date and sum of units sold, right? So in order to achieve conditional formatting just like this table, right, I've just copy pasted the same one. The page one consists of the same table. First step is to click on the format your visual, and you can see a lot of options: style, presets, grid, values, column headers. So what we are trying to change here is cell elements, guys. So this is header, and whatever the values which are exactly in the column of units sold, those are called cell elements. Now click on cell elements, you can see something called series. You can apply the series to date and sum of units sold. But here we need sum of units sold. That's the reason I've just selected sum of units sold. And see, you can see, right, background color, font color, data bars, icons, web URL. So these are the different options they're available on this particular column. But what we want is, we want to change the background color to red if the values are less than 0 and green if the values are greater than 70,000. I'm sorry, 70,000. Let's see how we can achieve by using this cell elements concept. Now go to specific the cell elements here under the specific column, and just toggle this button on, and you can see the already color got highlighted, dark blue and light blue. So here you can see the effects which is called conditional formatting icon. Click on this effects here, and there are a lot of options, right? The format style, when you click on the drop down format style, you can see gradient, rules, field value. But what I've said is, if the value is less than 70,000, that is red. If the value is greater than 70,000, that is green. That means that is considered as a rule in your conditional formatting. So click on rules here. So the moment you click on rules, you can see values apply to values only. What field should we base this on, which is sum of units sold, and summation is sum. That means, so whatever the rules we want to apply, those rules are being applied on this particular unit sold column which we exactly want. First is if the value is greater than or equals to, okay, so what I want is greater than or equal to some 70,000. This is the minimum value, and you can see percent or number. So what we want is exact number. So then that is the reason I'm selecting exact number. So in this particular column, in this particular field, you can give less than, and in this particular field you can see the max, right? So you can give any max value. So what I want to do is maybe I can give some max value based on my business requirement, but for now I'm just giving the max value as like 10 million. So whatever the value, if that particular unit sold value is greater than or equal to 70,000 until max, so I want to display it as a green color. So go to more colors, select on, click on the green, and you can see green color here. And one more condition I want to apply is if the value is less than 70,000 to 0, then red color. So you can just click on new rule here. If the value is greater than or equals to 0, which is number, and if the value is less than 70,000, right? So since we have given greater than or equal to 70,000, we can give less than 70,000, and you can select any red color here. So you have selected, you have given couple of conditions here. If the value is greater than or equal to 70,000 green, less 0 to 70,000 which is red, and click on OK. So the moment you clicked on OK here, you can see the red and green, right? So this is how we actually apply conditional formatting. So in short guys, so in order to apply the conditional formatting, so go to cell elements here, which you can find out under the specific column cell elements, and you can click on any series, sum of unit series, and just toggle this on as a background color, and click on effects here. You can give any condition here, the value greater than 70,000, less than max, and then green. If the value is lying between 0 to 70,000, you can give it as a red, and you can see that the color has been changed. That means the background color has been changed, and the green is coming for the values which are greater than 70,000, and red is coming for the values which are less than 70,000. And this is about the conditional formatting, which is really helpful in your day-to-day scenarios in Power BI. Thank you so much for watching guys. Hope you have a great day.